Hello, I'm Ori, and I'm here today to share my exceptional experience working with Bilal from Take Metaviz. Bilal recently completed a project for us, and I must say the results were beyond impressive. His ability to manage over 20 million records in scraping and integrate them seamlessly into BigQuery was nothing short of remarkable. What stood out of me for not just the technical expertise, but a dedication and precision. Insight Bilal brought to the table. His work was consistently top-notch, earning an A. It's an impact quality person. But it's not just about the data. Bilal collaborative approach and innovative thinking and leadership qualities truly set him apart. He's not just a data expert, he's a visionary in his field. That's why I'm, worth rated and recommend Bilal and his services if you're looking for something to transform your data into actionable insight. Bilal is your go-to person. Thank you, Bilal, again for your outstanding work. I look forward to our continued collaboration, and I truly recommend everyone who will work with Bilal to keep working with him. Is the greatest developer I've personally worked with, and is the go-to guy to get you the results you need. So again, thank you, Bilal, for everything. You're amazing. Looking forward for our next project. Take care. Bye-bye.